Alright guys, I've been getting a lot of questions how you can make your BullX account to start trading. So what you're gonna need to start trading, you're gonna need a Phantom wallet, and you're also gonna need a Telegram. So you press my link in under my Kick stream, or you can just use the link under this video. When you use that link, you get first in line because it's a waiting line. So when you use it, you can make the account straight away. Once you get to this site, you just open the bot in Telegram. It's gonna say start. Then all you have to do is press login and open. Once you open your account, you will see this site. All you have to do to start the trading is you have to go into your wallet manager. You're gonna press add funds, and then you're gonna choose Sol for Solana, right? So once you have done that, you have to copy this link. Then you'll go into your Phantom wallet. This is where you buy your Sol. So when you want to send it over to this address, you have to press buy, you press Solana, and then you choose how much you want. Once that is done, you're gonna press send, and then you're gonna press Solana. I don't have too much on this account right now, but this is just to show you how it's done. So you're gonna copy this link into address, and then you're gonna choose your amount. Once you have done that and you have a big enough balance, you should always keep some leftovers for fees, so that the transaction actually goes through. Then you press next, and then you press send. I can try. I don't know if it's gonna work, but let's see. Now it's not. I don't have enough right now, but that's how you do it. I don't want to buy some right now, but yeah, that's how you do it. Once you have sent it, you will receive it within seconds on your account. So just keep on refreshing this, and then you're basically done. That's how you start.